Happening, my lovely, wonderful people. Reaction trails Omoyele Sowore statement after court ordered that Emefiele should be released on bail. So this is what is happening. Godwin Emefiele has been said he should be released on bail, and many people have started reacting, including Omoyele Sowore. It is good, Emefiele. There was really no reason. Yes, whatever you know about him or whatever you know he has done, according to the constitution, he's not guilty until proven guilty. If you want to talk about people obeying court order, the same court has said Nnamdi Kanu should be released, and up till now, Nnamdi Kanu has not been released. So when you look at the whole thing, you see and you understand that there are real serious issues going on, and that is why Omoyele Sowore is reacting. Court said they should release him on bail, and now this is happening. What about others that court have asked that they should be released? What happened to them? What happened to them? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Reaction trails Omoyele Sowore statement after court ordered that Emefiele should be released on bail. The African Action Congress AAC presidential aspirant in the 2023 presidential election, Omoyele Sowore, has reacted after court ordered that the former central bank governor, Godwin Emefiele, should be released on bail. According to Punch, the Federal High Court in Abuja admitted that the former CBN central bank governor should be released on bail. The report proceeded to state that Justice Adeniyi, who presided over the matter, ordered that he should be released on to his counsel and must be produced in court when needed. However, since the report surfaced online, there have been several reactions from many Nigerians. Reacting to the report, Omoyele Sowore said that the case was closed. He said that they have exonerated him and they have extorted him enough. And on this case, if they want to release him, they should release him. But they should also not obey court order just for him, but for others. Case closed. They've released him already. Enough is enough. They never deliberately charged him. So for any serious offense anyway, if they want to release him, they should. But they should also obey court orders on other Nigerians. Case closed. They have exonerated him, and this is the truth. And that one said, I choose to always support your voice. Baba, please don't change. And I want to say thank you so much, sir, for the love and respect. And I said, only you knows the game plan. This is why I support you. And that one said, well, Omoyele Sowore, let's watch and see what their next step will be. So my lovely, wonderful people, it is happening again and again, and you can see how things are beginning to act and how things are and why change must really, really come. The issue here is that he has been released. But what about, and now they are obeying the court order, right? What about other Nigerians who court have said they should be released and were never released? That's the question. You know, why? That's the question. Court also gave order that Nnamdi Kanu should be released. Nnamdi Kanu is still in custody. You know, Tinubu have personal issues with Emefiele, and for that reason, DSS has held Emefiele. But the truth is, it is beyond your personal issues. We should be able to look at things and justify why certain things are happening and give reason why we are allowing certain things. We can't just sit back and say, you know, this is it, and we just move on with it. It doesn't work like that. Okay, it's not about your feelings, it's about the court of law. Again, Nigerian court has shown that they can't be trusted. Yeah, Nigerian court, the system has shown that they can't be trusted. Sadly, this is what is happening. And so every single person is beginning to really wonder if really, you know, change can really come with all that we are experiencing and seeing today. And so this is why it is important. Okay, it is important that we do not allow, you know, the same thing over and over again. If there is any time in our history where Nigerians should rise up and ensure that the right thing is done, it is now more than ever before. Godwin Emefiele, if he has committed a crime, of course, he should be dealt with the full arms of the law, and he should, you know, he should face the crime, he should face the consequences for his crime. But if Tinubu's government is not being able to hold anything against him, then he should be released, just like Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is in custody, but what has he really done? They say incited people. How can you prove the incitement on the people? Did he take their hand and made them commit a particular crime? You know, Nigeria today is where some persons, because of their will or how they feel or what they want, you know, other people suffer. The rule of law is hardly being followed like it should. The rule of law is not followed to the latter, you know. So in a situation where you are expecting more from the government, from the people, and those that should know the ambience of the law, following it as it should be, these are the very same people who pick and choose, do as they please, and it is what it is. So if there is any time where Nigerians should honestly and sincerely, you know, take a position to ensure that the truth is manifested, is now more than ever before. A lot has happened in this country. You know, we know the other time Emefiele was in court and how, you know, both DSS and the police were arguing over him, who should have him. You know, it just shows that there is really no regards and true respect for jurisdiction, who is doing what, and, you know, proper job description being there and everybody knowing what they ought to do, you know, following law and order protocol as it should be. The other time he was in court, we all know what happened. You know, they were arguing over him. I should have him. He should have him. That's not the way to go, you see. So it is something that we should really, you know, look upon. I'm not really sure you've spoken well. They know what they are doing, okay? This is already like an exoneration for him already. They know exactly how they are going about things. They know. They know. It is just you that is being deceived. They know exactly. They know exactly. So this is what is happening right now. This is what is going on. And if there is any time in our history, okay, where we should become very serious and ensure that the right things are done, this is the time. Remember, every one of us have a part to contribute. Every one of us have, you know, we cannot be quiet and allow the same people, okay, to keep on holding us down. We can't allow it. Okay. So they have just, you know, they just you know, they've just released him because the CBN governor, former CBN governor, he has people in high places who have helped him, who they all know about, you know, they all know what they are doing. So if you think that it is because of you they are doing what they are doing, you'll be deceiving yourself. Okay, so please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.